Alright, hey, it's me again. I'm back at it. This time at New Jersey Transit Station, Cherry Hill. And supposedly a train's supposed to come at like 2:59, I think. So when I was like over here, my mom's shopping over there at Burlington. I had to run all the way over here, like from there. All for this. Luckily she allowed me, but I don't think she knew how far it was gonna be. I don't think I knew how far it was gonna be, because it was pretty damn far. But now I'm here. Yeah. I'll come back at you when the train's coming. I'm gonna sit down, catch my breath, so I don't get an asthma attack. God damn. Update, it got delayed for like 3:03. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, yeah, look, it's right there. It's all the way over there. It's coming from Philadelphia, I think. It's a bunch of people. They're gonna think I'm weird, but I don't care. It's going outbound, I think? No, inbound. It's heading towards Atlantic City. Gonna switch over. Yeah, there it is. I can hear the engine. Opening.
Atlantic City train.
Yeah, they're gonna leave now. It's my first time hearing a diesel engine. It wasn't that bad. Well, that's it for me. I gotta head back. Another train is coming. Originally, I was gonna leave it at that, but this time it's gonna be from Atlantic City to Philadelphia. Turns out we stayed long enough to like see the other train that was gonna come, but yeah, there's not a lot of people here, but I think there's gonna start coming. There's my mother's right there. She's right there organizing stuff because, because he was like back, he wasn't doing anything, so he decided to take me here instead of walking, so I don't have to get an asthma attack this time. That's great. But I'll update you when the train comes. Originally it was gonna be like 70. What time? Like 78 or 77. It was gonna be 78, but then it became early and like turned into 77. It's gonna be coming all the way over there. It's gonna go to Philadelphia. That's that way. Oh, it's right there. It's all the way over there. Yeah, it just churned. Daddy! See those lights? It's right there. Damn, it's far. I'm not gonna record all this, but this is my dad. Diga hola, papi.
Hola.
Ese es mi YouTube.
¿Cómo están?
That's my brother. He likes trains too because I watch it on my phone, and he likes it. It's all the way over there. Eh. Yeah. I wish I could up the brightness, but this is the best I can do. Like, way brighter. Oh, they're doing construction over there. I just realized that now. Oh, it's coming. It's gonna switch over to this track. Cuidado, porque se lo puede asustar, porque como es de diesel o de gasolina, lo puede asustar. Porque no es como... Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's switching over. Cuidado, no asuste. Damn, this thing is loud. Damn, this thing gave me chills. Lo hice. He just signaled the people to like honk the horn, but whatever. No. Second New Jersey Transit train of the day. They're leaving now. Well, that's it. Pretty nice place. Not that big. It's in the back of in like an outlet, which is not that good. It has like some minor bus stop. To be honest, I don't like how they designed where it's like this track doesn't have a platform, but it is what it is, I guess. I mean, not that much people use transit like in the U.S. Oh, it's a bit much, but like still. Well, that's it. I'm gonna head out.